everyone, I'm out here talking about the new Piscifun Chaos round bait casting reel. Piscifun just came out with this. They make three sizes. I have the 40 in my hand here, the smallest version they make. Then they have a 50 and a 60. As you go up, those 50 and 60 have that power handle. This has the standard extended aluminum crank on it. This smaller size works really well for things like what I've got in my hand, swim baits for bass, big swim baits, small musky fishing, pike lures, cat fishing. It's got the bait clicker right here that you can use, that you can pull out, and you can hear that crank on the bait clicker. So that's for if you're live bait fishing, bottom rigging, that kind of stuff. That bait clicker really comes in handy. You can see on the side of this reel as well, there's a tension clicking spool that goes along with that main tension knob in here. This allows for precision fine-tune adjustments. This is something that is completely unique to this reel. There aren't any other reels, round reels on the market that have this system currently with this tension clicker on the side. This is a 6-pin centrifugal braking system, so it's a really high quality braking system on the inside using those pins, and you just take off these screws if you want to get into those and adjust those. No problems there at all. You can see the reinforced thumb bar on this reel, something that's very, very important about it. Thumb bars can get worn out really easily, so Piscifun went and they reinforced this thumb bar so that not only is it comfortable, but it's durable. It's going to hold up a lot longer than other thumb bars on the market. Overall, I've been super impressed with this reel. You can get a ton of line on here. It's rated for over 200 yards of 40-pound test. I have 50 pound on here right now, easily 100 and probably 175 yards, and I still have room to spare on this spool. So when you look, the one thing that's cool about this spool, you can't see it because there's line on here, but it is a concave spool, CNC aluminum concave spool that allows for the line to float easily over it, and you're not going to get the line banking to one side or the other, and you're not going to get the line slipping on the inside because of the way the spool is designed. It focuses all that line to the middle and allows for an even spooling. So that is really important for guys who use straight braid. They won't get that line slip like you will get on other reels. Finally, let's look at the drag on this reel. It has 16 pounds of max drag on this specific model, up to 20 pounds of max drag on those bigger models. So for those of you fighting those river monsters like the fish that live behind me, that 20 pounds of drag is really going to come in handy if you're catfishing or anything like that. So definitely want to check out, we had our reel experts go through this reel, check out the components that are inside, and they said that this is a reel that is very comparable to reels that are worth 3 times more than what this retails for. It retails at $49.97 right now. So check them out. $50. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them on Piscifun's website. That's the Chaos. It's going to be the next big thing.